Hello student, now let's see the tens in the modern periodic table. So first of all we see the valency. Valency means the number of electron which is present in valence orbit, means the outermost orbit that we consider as a valency. Valency means the number of valence electron present in the outermost shell of its atom is called the valency. So, if you are moving from left to right in each period, the valency of element increase from 1 to 4 and the decrease to 0. Valency means the valence electron which is present in the outermost orbit. So, as we see earlier in previous video only, that if you are moving from left to right in the period, then the 1 electron is added to the each of the element. So here you can see, if you are moving from sodium to argon, then in the sodium the outermost orbit electron possess the 1 only, means the sodium having the 11 number. So the electronic configuration is 281. So we can say that in the outermost orbit the sodium possesses the 1 electron. Same like if we are moving from left to right, the magnesium is there. So the arrangement of electron is 282 because the magnesium having atomic number 12. So the arrangement of electron is 282. So here you can see, if we are moving from left to right, then the 1 electron is added. Same like aluminium having a 13 number atomic number. So the arrangement of electron is 283. Same silicon 14. So the 284. Here you can see the 1 electron is increased till the silicon, and then after it is decreased to the 0. 1 electron is decreased and it is reached to the 0. So in the starting of the element it is increased from 1 to 4 and then it is decreased from 3 to 0. So we can say that if you are moving from period, means if you are moving from left to right in the period, then the 1 electron is added to the increase from the 1 to 4 and then after it is decreased from 4 to 0. So it is one property that is of valency. If you are talking about the valency in a period, then if you are moving from left to right, then 1 electron is increased till the 4 electron and then after it is decreased to the 0. This is about the period. So if you are talking about the group, then in the group there is a same valence electron, but the shell is increased, as we seen earlier that in a group there is outermost orbit possesses the same electron, means the valency is remain the same in the group. So here you can see the valency remain the same if we are down go down in a group. Here in the previous video only we have discussed about this. Here you can see in the group the valence electron same if we are moving from downwards. So the valence electron it become a same in the group, whether in a period if we are moved from left to right, then the 1 electron is increased and then it is decreased to the 0. So this is the first character, that is valency. In a period if you are moving from left to right, then it is electron, valence electron is increased from 1 to 4 and then after it is a decrease to 0. And in group it remain the same. Now let's talk about the another character. It's atomic size. Atomic size, which is referred to the radius of an atom, and radius means it is a distance between the atom and their outermost nucleus and their outermost orbit. Atom's nucleus and their outermost orbit. So the atomic size refer to the radius of an atom. It may be visualized as the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost cell. So we can say that if you are moving from right to left, means in period there is no any kind of cells is increase, but there is only increase of element, only increase of electron. So what happened if we if the electron is increased? So the electron negativity is also increased, and due to that the force of attraction is increased. So it is pulled, nucleus is pulled that pulls this electron towards them. So this ultimately the size of the atom is a decrease if you are moving from left to right. Means in a period the atomic size of the element, it is a decrease as the electron negativity is increase, and due to that the electromagnetic force, the nucleus force on the electron is increased. Due to that it's pulled the electron towards them, and due to that the atomic size of the element is decreased. So the atomic size, or you can say the radius of atom, is decreased as we move from left to right in a period, because due to the large positive charge on the nucleus, and the electrons are pulled in more close to the nucleus, and due to that the size is decreased. The next character is atomic size. Atomic size, which refers to the radius of an atom, it may be visualized as the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost cell. So, the atomic size of a radius of an atom is decreased as we move from left to right in a period, because due to the large positive charge on the nucleus, the electrons are pulled in more close to the nucleus, and due to that the atomic size of element is decreased if we are moving from left to right in a period. And here in the period there is no any kind of increment of cells is occur. But if you are talking about the group, as we discussed that if you are going from up to downwards, then the one shell is add, not the electron. Outermost electron it remains same. Valence electron, valence is the same. But in the group, if you are move from up to downward direction, then the one cell is increased. So the distance between the nucleus and the outermost cell is also increased. So the nucleus size is become a large. Here you can see in the third period of elements the atomic radius. They are moving from left to right, then the atomic size of the element, it is a decrease, because here the no any kind of cells is increase, but only the electron is increase. In the sodium outermost orbit 1 electron, Mg2, aluminium 3, silicon 4, and then it is a reduced, but here the cell is only 2 cells is there, no any other cells are added. Instead of cell, the electron is added in the outermost orbit. And due to the more attraction force, the radius of the atom, it is a shrink, means it is a electron is pulled more closer to the nucleus, and due to that the size is a decrease. Now if we are talking about the atomic size in a group, so it is an increase as we move down to the group, because the new cells being added. As I told you that if you are moved from up to down, then the one new cell is added. Due to that, the radius of the nuclear radius of the atom, it is a increase. So we can say that the atomic size is also increase. Here you can see the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So here the one shell is added, and due to that the atomic radius is a increase. So the atomic size increase as we move down the group, because the new cells is being added, and this increase the distance between nucleus and the outermost electron. Here the group 1 element is given, sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So if you are moving from up to downward direction, so each of the element there is a shell is increased. Due to the adding of the new cell, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost orbit is also increased, and due to that the atomic size is also increased. Here the atomic radius is also given. Here you can observe that if you are moving from up to downward direction, then the radius is increased, and due to the increment of the radius, the atomic size is also increased. Let's revise one more time, then after we will move further from the metallic character. So, trends in the modern periodic table. First character is the valency, number of valence electron which is present in the outermost shell of its atom. On moving from left to right, means here to here, then its valence is increased up to the 4, and then after it is decreased to 4 to 0. And if you are talking about the group, in the group the valence electron is remain the same. So the valency is remain same in the group, but in the period, if you are moving from left to right, then there is no any kind of cells are added, but it possesses a same shell, but the valency is increased. Means if we are moving from left to right, then first of all it is increased from 1 to 4, and then after it is decreased from 4 to 0. And in a group, if you are moving from up to down direction, then valencies remain the same. That's why we are keeping that kind of element in a same group whose valency is the same. The second character we have seen that about the atomic size. Atomic size means the distance between the nucleus, atom's nucleus, and to outermost orbit. So that we consider as a radius. So the atomic size is referred to the radius of an atom, and it may be visualized as the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost cell. The atomic size or a radius of an atom, it is a decrease as we move from left to right in a period, because due to the large positive charge on the nucleus, and the electron are pulled in more close to the nucleus, and the size is decreased. Here you can see, if we are moving from left to right in a period, there is no any kind of cells increase, but the cell is same, but the electron is added. Due to the adding of the more electron, the stronger attraction forces occur, and due to the stronger force of attraction, this electron are pulled in more closer to the nucleus, and the size is decreased. So in period, if you are moving from left to right, then the atomic size of element is decreased. And if you are talking about the group, then the atomic size is increased, because if you are moved down, then in the each element the one shell is added. So due to that, there is increment of distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron. So the atomic size is also increased. The atomic size increase as we down move down the group, because the new cells are being added, and this increase the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron. Here you can see the radius is given. This is a group 1, and in group 1 the element is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and the francium. So here you can observe that if you are moving from up to downward direction, then the atomic radius is increased, and due to the increment of atomic radius, the atomic size of element is also increased. Now the next property, it's a metallic character. Metallic character means element who possess a tendency of losing of element. So that kind of element we consider as a metal. So the metallic character means the tendency of an atom to lose the electron. So that we consider as a metal. And as we study that the properties of metal, that metal is lose the electron and get the positive charge. So that kind of element we consider as a metal. And the metal is occupied left hand side of the periodic table. Metals are occupied in a left hand side of the periodic table. Let's see in periodic table so you can get the idea. Here you can see that the metal is denoted by the green in color, and all the matter which is allotted in a periodic table, which is located in the periodic table left side, means from this side. And these all the element who have a tendency to lose the electron and get the positive charge, and that's why it is considered as a metal. For example, lithium have a atomic number, so the electronic configuration is 2 and 1. So for the getting the uh, stable, or you can say the noble gas configuration, it lose the one electron, so it get the positive charge. It possesses the losing of electron tendency. That's why it is a comes into the metal, and metal is located the left side of the periodic table. So the first character, that the metallic character, means the tendency of atom to lose the electron, and the metal is occupied the left hand side of the periodic table. So, if you are moving left to right in a period, then the metallic character of an element is decreased because the effect nuclear charge is increased, and it means tendency to lose the electron is decreased. As we see that if you are moving from left to right in period, then the force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron, it is increased, and due to that increase the force, the electron not easily lose. Means we can say that if you are moving from left to right in period, then the metallic character, it is decreased, or effect due to the strong attraction force, the metal is not able to lose their electron easily. So we can say that on the moving from left to right in a period, the metallic character of an element is decreased due to it is lost the capacity of the losing the electron. That's why. Here you can see in the periodic table as well. If you are moving from left to right, then this pinkish is the metalloid and this one is a non-metal. So if you are moving from left to right, then the metallic character is decreased and the non-metallic character will increase, because the tendency of lose the electron is decreased due to the strong attraction force between the electron and the nucleus. The metals are electropositive as they tend to lose the electron while forming the bond. As I told you in lithium, that lithium have a 3 atomic number. So in first orbit 2 electron is occupied and the second orbit 1 electron. So that 1 electron is lost by the element. So the it comes under to the metal and it become a electropositive. The metals are electropositive as they tend to lose the electron while forming a bonds, and the metallic character is increased if you go down a group as effective nuclear charge is decreased. In the period, if you are talking in a period, if you are moving from left to right, then the strong attraction force is occur. Why? Because the distance between the nucleus and outermost orbit is decreased. Due to that, the strong attraction force is occur, and due to that, the matter means due to that the element cannot easily lose the electron. So we can say that if you are moving from left to right in period, then the metallic character is decreased. But in a group, as we know that the if we are moving from up to down, then the atomic size of a element is increase, and due to that there is a attraction force between the atom and the outermost orbit electron is decreased, so it can easily lose that electron. So the metallic character is increased as we go down in a group from up to down. Let's see one more time. Metallic character. The metallic character means the tendency of atom to lose the electron. So the metal occupied is left hand side of the periodic table, and in a period metallic character, if you are moving from left to right, then the metallic character will decrease. Why? Because the metallic character means the losing tendency of losing of element, but if you are moved from left to right, then the capacity of losing the electron, it will decrease. Why? Because the strong attraction force is occurred due to the nucleus and the outermost orbit, because due to the more positive charge, due to that the electron is more attract to the nucleus, so the element cannot easily lose the electron. The second one, that if you are moving in a metal are electron positive, as they tend to lose the electron while forming a bond. And in group case, if we are moved from up to downward direction, then the atomic size is increased. Due to the increment of the atomic size, the attraction force of a nucleus will decrease, and due to that the element can easily lose their electron. Means the tendency of losing electron means the metallic character is increase. So we can say that the metallic character increase as we go down a group, as the effective nuclear charge is decreasing. In next video we will see about the non-metallic character. Thank you.